Hey, so today I'm going to show you guys my favorite look for festival season. I'm going to start by just sectioning my hair down the center and following that all the way to the back of my neck. I'm just going to tie one section off to keep it out of the way. And then just brush your hair all the way back. Now I'm just going to do a French braid back all the way to my nape.
Sunday night, what's that in my blood right? In my blood right.
So now that I have them into pigtails, I'm going to use bobby pins to secure them into small buns at the nape of my neck.
Gonna be alright. Bounce to the rhythm when we put some on, 'cause my time has come and I'm busting. Don't wanna plus with us, 'cause we high when I let me high and low. Other lines we crossing. The drama we be causing. So sick like we got that flu. I'ma switch it up, my hair done blue.
So now I'm just going to loosen up my braids a little bit. And now, to get very festive, I'm going to add some glitter to my heart line.
Across the seas. If you wanna melt, you gotta heat the freeze. Nothing sweet like my honey, but you'll have to lick before you can taste.